Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints. Well, I got more of the stuff I was waiting for my first junk journal to start, so I'm gonna show you what else I got. This is gonna go with another video that a little video that I had started that had a few other things, so I'm gonna show you what I got. Again, moving it off my desk to open it. So first of all, so this bigger box isn't in the way, but also so my desk doesn't shake so bad. So number one is Heatnbond Ultra Hold. It is almost like a glue type material that you iron onto fabric or whatever, and then you iron it, you pull off the sheet and you iron it onto whatever you want to attach to. So I saw somebody else use that and it's really cheap. It was like $5 or $6 on Amazon. I thought, it's worth a try. And then I got this little package, and I'm dropping the box. I got this little package that was a set of paper tags and twine. And again, it was really inexpensive, and I figure I'll use quite a few of them, so it was cheaper to do this than to get like bigger tags that you only got a few. I'm trying to see if it says how many are in here, but it doesn't. It did on the listing that I'll post the link to. And then I got a mini scoreboard, so you can kind of score things to make them into envelopes or folds into paper, and that is going to work for a lot of stuff. I didn't want a big one because I'm not planning on doing any big or large size junk journal. And I did get this little tiny journal. It's really small. It's only 4 by 6, and that's actually what I'm going to use as the hardcover and the base for one of the junk journals that I'm going to do. I'm still waiting on a bigger one that I had ordered. But like a few of my other packages on Amazon, things are kind of taking a tour. They travel way more than we do right about now, that's for sure. So my mini little haul of stuff was here, and like I said, this is going to go on to another video so you can kind of see things come. And I do have a bigger journal coming, so I'm planning on doing a tiny junk journal and a bigger one. I'm pretty sure I'm going to start with the tiny one anyway, so it doesn't really matter that the other one is in here, because I want to start with a smaller one and give it a try. This is just a sketchbook. I'm going to actually open this for you guys. So it's blank sheets, and I'm actually planning on using I can use the pieces of paper for other stuff, but I'm actually planning on cutting out all the paper because it's all just blank paper, using this as like the book cover as it is, but kind of doing something to it. And then I can use these pieces of paper in my junk journal for stamps or gluing stuff onto it and all kinds of other stuff. So that kind of goes with a part of what I'm going to do. So I'm not going to be like throwing anything away. I'm still going to be using all of it, but just not as it came, not as it was originally intended. So those are what I got for this. And as always, thank you for watching. If you guys haven't already, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon to be notified anytime I post up a new video. And I hope you all have a great day. If you have any questions, leave them below and I will try to answer them as quickly as possible. And I'll link everything into the description box as well. Bye guys. I have a couple things to unbox and something to unbag. I do have a few more things coming for the junk journaling that I told you guys or have been mentioning. But anyhow, the other day, I'm just unboxing it today. I got a couple little things that I'm going to open, and I want to kind of add the videos together. So I won't be releasing this for a few days, but let me open the first one. I'm going to try not opening them on my desk, see if that helps with the shaking. And like I always do, I'll link everything in the description box. These couple things came from Amazon. So I have another thing of scrapbooking paper, crafting paper, and so on. So it's the Farmhouse Market. It comes with stickers and a bunch of different paper. We'll look at some of the paper. The stickers are right there, so they're really easy to see. So some florally and gingham. Got looks like the little nook boxes that you can put stuff. Oh, that's cute. The newspaper. Little farmhouses. More plain, not plain, but more plain. The black and white checked buffalo plaid almost looking. Another floral. Today is a good day for a good day. A couple little sayings and quotes and stuff. That one's really cute too. I like that. These are all really pretty. And in junk journaling, when I get into it, you'll see you can just cut or tear these little squares out and add them to pages and little tags with flowers. Like filing boxes. Almost reminds me of like old library type setup. More of these type things, and they're kind of taking them from different parts of the pages that they put together, so everything kind of will match with this set. And this just gives you, it shows you what all the different pages are, shows you what stickers you got. So that's the first thing. And let me get the other thing. So I got a large paper trimmer. It also folds out, so you have like a guide, and then you just can trim your papers that way. Kind of makes them more even. See, this is the part that folds out. Gives you more of an even cut. They cut really well. I just figured it was worth getting one. They're only like 12 bucks or something, so figured it was worth it. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video really quick. I'm going to clean up this stuff, and then I'm going to bring you down into all the business when I show you the sparklers I got from Tmall. Give me one moment. So I'm not even going to lie, the reason why I wanted to start the first half of this video today was because I really can't wait to see the sparklers that I got. One of them I got actually 2 packages of them because I've been waiting for a while for them to come back into stock, and I can't wait to see these. So even though this won't go up for several days, I have to open them. I'm dying to see these. I've seen them unboxed on a video, and they were just very, 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 very pretty. And she always sends a sticker or a couple stickers with your order. So I got this pink 3D feeling one, and they always personalize each in packing slip that they send. A few of these are going to be used. I got the diamond sparklers for squares. They're going to go in my cute little Heffa weather headpiece that I got from Treasure Studios Arts. So I have plans, and then the one that I really wanted, I just wanted really bad for a future project. Don't know what yet, but I wanted to get it. So we're going to start with 340, and let's see what the description of the color is. It's a blue violet medium. I don't know if you guys can see the color. It's really pretty though. So that's blue violet medium 340 sparkler. I got 704, which on the description it says it's a, no, I can never say that name, chartreuse bright. That's a really light but bright green, if that makes sense, that description. So it's like a light limeish colored green. And then 519 is sky blue. This one actually looks, you can kind of see it, but it's kind of got like trying to get you in the light, but also in the camera view is hard. So I don't know if you can see it right there. It's a very pretty color. And then I have 909, which is an emerald green, very dark. And that does look like emerald green. Very much so. I'm gonna wait to show you the ones that I really wanted. I got the neon green sparklers. I just thought that was a really cool color, and I know I'll use it. And then I also got the raspberry, and those are both, and this one as well. All three of these, the carnation glow glass, these are all ones that I knew I'll end up using, so I got them. And then I got the sparkler for square, fire, which is more of an orange, like a orange color. And in my cow painting, she has a lot of orange in her leaves. And then these are the ones I was dying for them to come back in stock. They're called fairy dust. They're sparklers. They have a lot of colors, and then they have some pink and a little bit of maybe like really light pale orange peach color. They have some violet. I mean, these are just beautiful, like just gorgeous colors in that. And her sparklers like this have so many, and like I said, I got two of these because I wanted to make sure I had some. But I don't know, these are just the colors in this is just mind-blowing how many colors are in the sparklers like this. So that's what I got from Diamond Painting with Sparklers, and like always I'll link it in the description box. But I definitely would not hesitate to order from her. Every transaction I have had with her so far has been amazing. And they always come in an organza bag, which I think is just a really nice touch. She always has them in a bubbler mail, so it kind of keeps things to be secure. They always send at least one sticker, sometimes several stickers. They just go over and beyond when you go through them. The shipping is extremely reasonable. It's usually just a couple bucks. But overall, I've been happy with every purchase. I really love the drills. They're really pretty. I've used a few of them so far. I just really like everything about Diamond Painting with Sparklers. So, like I said, I highly suggest giving them a try if you haven't already. Anyhow, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will continue to add to this video when the rest of my stuff comes in the next few days, week-ish. By Thursday, I think, is when I get more of it. So anyhow, and then I'll go ahead and put it up. So until then, I hope to see you back on my channel, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. I have a couple more packages and a couple things I unboxed because they actually came with my dog food from Amazon in the same box. So I'm going to show them to you even though I'm not technically unboxing them, and it's it's a two-sided cutting mat that's like self-healing, so I can use it to cut different things for junk journaling. And like I said, it was from Amazon, so I will link this. And then the art glitter, I know there's a glare right there, art glitter dries clear glue that came with the top, the metal little top with the pin, so you can put this all on top and just pop it out when you're going to use it. So That was also Amazon. I'll link that as well. And then I have a couple packages that were not unboxed because they came separately. These I did not know were going to be in the same box as the dog food. So, and I didn't think you guys wanted to see me unbox a 40-pound bag of dog food. I can't even fit it up here. And again, these are for journaling stuff that I can finally get started on. This is a vintage ledger paper collection. It has just different like papers that look old, like from ledgers and stuff like that. And again, you'll see exactly what all this is for shortly. And let me get into this without trying to make my desk shake too bad. This is a 2-pack of journals. They're hardcover. These are, they should be plain. I'll open it up, but they should be plain pages. And I'm actually going to cut the pages out, and again, that will all be, I'll show you guys how I do it. I'm learning as I go, so it should be interesting for all of us involved. I can't get this to open. So these should be plain pages. I'm actually going to cut them out of this. I'm going to use this. I will use some of the pages. So I'm going to use some of these pages, and they will be able to be just folded in half, which is the whole point of what I wanted to do. So it works out perfect. It's got a lot of kind of cool pages in here. So those are really cool, and that's marks on them. They're supposed to be on there. That's what it's supposed to come like that. So 20 sheets, 2 of each design, which is cool. So I'll be able to use those in this and all this. So now that I finally got the final pieces of this puzzle, I'm going to put this together soon. So I can't wait to share it with you guys. This is it. Yeah, it's going to come soon, and I'm really excited to get started and to show you guys, and hopefully myself, since again I've never done it before. So anyhow, I hope you all have a great day. As always, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to get notified anytime I post up a new video. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section and I will answer them as soon as I can. Have a great day. Bye.